Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we have a spaghetti dish with red sauce, olives, and feta. You're going to love it. We'll need 2 liters of water, bring to a boil, and add salt. And then add the pasta and cook for 9 to 10 minutes for al dente. Don't forget, every couple of minutes, give it a stir so the spaghetti doesn't stick together. The spaghetti's been cooking for around 9 to 10 minutes, so it should be al dente. Before we drain it, let's take some spaghetti water so we can use it for the sauce. We'll need around 1 cup of spaghetti water. We'll need a pan, medium heat, and add olive oil. And then the chopped onions. And cook them for around 3 to 4 minutes. After cooking the onions for 3 to 4 minutes, add the chopped garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. Now, add the tomato paste and carry on cooking for another 30 seconds. Now it's time to add the tomato sauce. Add some pasta water. And give everything a good stir. Now it's time to add the chicken cube and the bay leaf. Salt and pepper to taste, and as you can see, I enjoy a lot of pepper in this sauce. A tablespoon of oregano. Give everything a good mix and add some pasta water because we're going to let our sauce sit and simmer for around 15 minutes on low heat. Every couple of minutes, give the sauce a stir. If you see that the sauce has thickened, add some pasta water. After 15 minutes of letting the sauce simmer, add the chopped olives. And now we add the chopped feta. Give everything a good mix and let it sit and simmer for a minute so the feta cheese could start melting. As soon as the minute is up and the feta cheese has already started melting, let's add the spaghetti. Give the spaghetti a really good mix in the sauce so you get feta and olives everywhere. And now it's time to serve. And like always, καλή σας όρεξη!